ni irungamitie kamiti ya miaka na ithurano IEBC kuandika maratathi joringi bwa kura cia ward ya Nyaki West. Bobo ni nyuma ya kamiti ukwirikana itiandikite ritwa ra muruiri gitumwa na ritwa Hilary Sande uria kuruira gitiki ta muruiri kiumbe Koti kigitega riri ni ugiete ka muruiri uju atirwe kioto kiawe untubure ni mugaro na mawatho ja katiba. Mwandiki wetu Wantito Muthuri Muriuki atombiririe nacio.
Narua Koti nene amiru kukurukira mugambire murithi nitete watho kirwangiro ithurano mianka ni IEBC kukurukire gambariria na igitwe ni Hilary Mugambi Sande nyuma ya IEBC kuria gwikira rito ryawe kibraba kithaba kitwa kura kiwadi ya Nyaki West na mthenya narua Koti erungika kuthondeko kwa kura cia Nyaki West mwangaria tora muri Hilary Sande riro rigikirwo.
An order for certiorari is hereby issued to quash the decision of the second respondents Dispute Resolution Committee dated the 17th of June 2022. 3. The respondents are compelled by an order of mandamus to admit the petitioner's clearance letters and notification of intention to vie and to consider his application for nomination as an independent candidate for member of County Assembly for Nyaki West Ward in the forthcoming general election of 9th of August 2022. 4. An order of injunction is issued barring the respondents from proceeding with the preparation of the printing of ballot papers for member of County Assembly for Nyaki West Ward until the petitioner's application for nomination as an independent candidate is considered by the respondents.
Kulingana na wakili Hilary Sande augite rindi tagarindi ria Koti na ibone ni urungika bwao na kagitaga kanandi no mwanka rwangiro IEBC rutigere uchoki Hilary Sande.
In summary, Koti ekomba kuga atiri haki kana right cia Hilary Mutuma Sande ichombete kwithirwa chikinyangiri nthi cia kurungama especially as an independent candidate. Number 2, Koti ekweja na ekanukia ria IEBC kuendelea go print ballot papers mwankarira bakaomba kumuthiriria na kumuklia. Number 3, iberirwe Koti kubera bombe kujukia documents ciawe for purposes of clearing Hilary Mutuma Sande for the 2022 9th August elections.
Na ntoawe Hilary Sande ethwagichokire kondikatho na kwira thingati bawe kagitaga kanande akethura rinde bene
mbere ya mande nda guchokeria Murungu sana nkatho na urambuga utongeria bwitherwa bumite iguru ningwitikia utongeria bwakwa bumite iguru onto te kawaida wigwa ballot papers cha wadi cheri chete printwa ta utronete ngari chumite na ndege chiaja igoro airport chauga ballot papers chekweja ende Koti yetu ya Meru na arwe kuga shughuli uchonde cha ballot papers cha Nyaki West Ward chironge kwe monka chiari yetu ja Hilary Mutuma Mugambi Sande redorore au bere na ndene nde tweteta kwambiria siasa nende tweteta gutonya mashinani tumbe kuariria mwananchi wa Nyaki West Ward tumurombe kura na ingwetikia daiji kura iji cha MCA wa Nyaki West Ward yoni beteta kuona
nkiripotera Waru Juma Mbita Muthuri Muriuki.